Okay, so in Photoshop, you're going to create a new document. So go File, New. And with this one, we want it to be landscape. Okay, so you're going to change the width to 11, the height to 8.5. And we are going to print this project. Okay, so you need to change your resolution to 300. And click OK. After you have your new document, I want you to open up 2 pictures that you've already saved in your pictures folder. So go to your pictures. Try to get pictures that have full color so it doesn't have white in the background. And you're going to move those pictures onto your new document. You'll want to do a free transform to make your pictures about that size on your document. So you'll have 2 layers about that size. All right, so now you have your 2 layers. We're going to use the Option key to copy the layers. So right now I'm on my pirate here. I hold down the Option key. I have my Move tool. Hold down the Option key, and you're going to copy it a whole bunch of times to cover up the right side of your document. And notice how in the Layers palette you are making a bunch of copies. You're going to then do that with the other picture. So you'll have your entire document's going to be full of pictures. So you'll notice in the Layers palette that you have lots of layers now. So this is when we're going to merge all of your picture layers. Go to the very top of your Layers palette, click on your top layer, then you're going to scroll down to the bottom, hold the Shift key and click on Layer 1. Do not click on the background. We don't want to merge your pictures with the background. So it's just from Layer 1 all the way to the top. And that shortcut is Command E, and that will merge all of your pictures onto one layer. You also have the option in your layers drop down to merge your layers. Okay. But Command E is the shortcut. All right, so now what we are trying to do is put all of those pictures inside of your name, okay, like this example. To do that, you need to type your name. So click on the Type tool. And with this project, you're going to want to get a pretty thick font because you want to be able to see the pictures inside of your font. Once you have your name typed, then you can get your free transform and you can stretch it out, make it even bigger. Okay, and you'll notice on mine how close my first name is to my last name. This is called leading, and to change your leading, you have to go to your Characters palette, which all of your palettes are located in the window. You go down to Character, and this is your leading option right here. So I'm going to change that back to Auto. All right, so once you have your name typed, you'll see over in your layers palette, you've got your type layer with your name. What we need to do is get marching ants around your name. So that's called loading a selection or loading a layer. Okay? To load a layer, you hold down the Command key and you click on the picture in the layers palette. So with a type layer, that picture is the T. So Command and you click on the T. That gets marching ants around your name. You're going to turn the eyeball off of that layer because all we need it for was to get marching ants. You're going to go to your picture layer. And if I hit delete right now, it would delete the inside of my selection. I want to delete the outside of it. This is where you go select, inverse, and then you hit delete. Once you have your name, the last steps for this project, we need to put a stroke around your name. So to put a stroke around your name, you go to that layer and you do an FX and you click on stroke. Now, look up here at the screen. Look what's happening. You see how the stroke is, there's a bunch of extra stuff going on? That is because when I copied my pictures over and over, they went outside of my document, but they didn't disappear. They don't just go away if they're on like the outside of your document. What you have to do is crop your picture. To crop it, it's this tool that's underneath the magic wand, and you're going to click return. And when you hit return the first time, you'll see all of those extra pictures that are outside. So you got to hit return again to actually cut it, to crop it out. And now when I do the stroke, there won't be the extra stuff.